In today's super quick video, we look at how you reset a service item in your E90. Key in, feet off the pedals and hit the start button. Wait 5 seconds for the service notification to go away. Push and hold the odometer for 4 seconds. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And we can scroll through all of our service items. On my car, it's the cabin microfilter that's giving the service warning, but we can toggle up, have a look at the information about our next service. Our brake fluid, our oil, our inspection, emissions test, front brakes, rear brakes, diesel particulate filter, and back to the start. If you have a gas car, then you'll have spark plugs as well. And if you have a newer car than mine, you'll have an additional few options. So once we've decided to make a change, let's start with, for example, let's see if we can change something that isn't quite due. So for example, we'll go to oil change. And if we press the BC button on the stalk, it gives us the option to reset. So press and hold, and the little timer comes up. And you can see it's reset there to 30,000. I don't leave that long between oil changes, so I'll change it anyway before then. So let's toggle up a few more. And let's go to my service item that's giving the warning, which is the cabin microfilter. Now for some reason I forgot to reset this, so we'll press once on the BC and then press and hold. And then once the clock comes up, it'll be reset. And there it is, reset for 2 more years. We can do this for any of the items, whether they've expired or whether they have a little bit of time to go and you've done them early. Once you leave it for a few seconds there, you'll notice it goes back to the standard display. And that's it. Until next time.